Welcome to our guide on Canadian visa sponsorship. If you are considering sponsoring someone for a visa to Canada, you've come to the right place. In this script, we will walk you through the process, requirements, and important information you need to know. So let's get started. Canadian visa sponsorship is a process that allows Canadian citizens or permanent residents to sponsor eligible foreign individuals to come and live in Canada temporarily or permanently. This sponsorship can be for various visa categories, such as family sponsorship, spousal sponsorship, or skilled worker sponsorship. To be eligible as a sponsor, you must meet certain criteria set by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. These criteria may include 1. Being at least 18 years old. 2. Being a Canadian citizen, a permanent resident, or a registered Indian under the Canadian Indian Act. 3. Demonstrating the ability to support the sponsored individual financially. 4. Signing an undertaking to provide financial support to the sponsored individual for a specific period. 5. Not being in default of any previous sponsorship or immigration-related obligations. There are different types of sponsorship available, depending on the relationship between the sponsor and the sponsored individual. Let's look at a few examples. Family sponsorship. This category allows Canadian citizens or permanent residents to sponsor their close family members, such as spouses, children, parents, or grandparents. Spousal sponsorship. If you are a Canadian citizen or permanent resident and married to a foreign national, you can sponsor your spouse or common law partner to come and live with you in Canada. Skilled worker sponsorship. This category enables Canadian employers to sponsor skilled foreign workers to fill specific job positions that cannot be filled by Canadian citizens or permanent residents. The sponsorship process generally involves the following steps. Determine eligibility. Before beginning the sponsorship process, ensure that both you, as the sponsor, and the person you wish to sponsor meet the eligibility requirements. Submit an application. Complete the required application forms and submit them to the IRCC along with all supporting documents. Wait for processing. The application will go through a processing period during which the IRCC will review the documents, conduct background checks, and assess the eligibility of the sponsor and the sponsored individual. Interview and medical examination. Depending on the type of sponsorship, the sponsored individual may be required to attend an interview and undergo a medical examination. Decisions and notification. Once the processing is complete, the IRCC will make a decision on the application and notify both the sponsor and the sponsored individual. Good luck on your visa journey and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.